In this video, we're going to be mounting the side stand, and it only requires a 16mm and 17mm combo wrench. Now, as we mount the side stand, we're going to kind of use the stand itself as a way to pull the spring into place. The circle side of the spring is going to go on the hook on the back of the mounting bracket. And then the hook side is going to go on the side stand, and we can kind of use the leverage of that side stand to get the holes aligned. Then we're going to slide the bolt through the back side. And we're going to be using a 16 and a 17mm wrench. The larger 17 on the back side to get the bolt through, and then the 16 to tighten down the nut.